Stephanie Hopkins, and I'm a registered dietitian and part of nutrition staff at the Gathering Place. As a registered dietitian nutritionist, I work with people and I talk about food. I like helping people find ways to eat great tasting, healthy food. Healthy diets are important to help make you feel your best and to work and play your best. A healthy diet is made of fruits, vegetables, beans, and lean proteins. For Animal Camp today, we'll be making a recipe that includes whole grains. We'll be making no-bake chocolate chip cookie balls. This is a quick and easy snack that you can make yourself that also tastes kind of like a cookie. To get started, you'll need a bowl, a plate, and a spoon, as well as the ingredients from your Animal Camp box. Before we begin, let's first wash our hands with soap and water. You want to wash your hands for about 30 seconds. This is almost 2 happy birthday songs. Once we've washed our hands and they're all clean and dry, let's get started. First, I'm going to add about a heaping cup of 1/3 heaping cup of rolled oats into my bowl. I'm then going to add 3 tablespoons of mini chocolate chips, 3 tablespoons of crunchy peanut butter, and 3 tablespoons of honey. The last ingredient is about a 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla for a little flavoring. You want to mix this all together until it's well combined. So it might take a few stirs there with your spoon to make sure all the ingredients are worked together with the peanut butter. Okay, that looks pretty good. Now what you want to do is take some of this dough and roll it in between your hands to form a little ball. You want to form about 10 balls depending on how much dough you grab. And that's why you got to make sure you stir it really well so it stays together, because it can be really sticky with the peanut butter. Okay. So here I've made about 4 balls. You can eat these immediately as a snack, or you can put them in the freezer for a little bit to save as a snack for later. If you keep them in the freezer, they'll firm up a little bit so they won't be as sticky when you make them. Now, as I mentioned, this recipe contains whole grains. Do you know what whole grains are? Whole grains means that the seed part of the grain still has its outer layer on. When some grains are processed into the food that we eat, that outer part of the seed is removed. That outer part of the seed is a good source of vitamins, minerals, and fiber. So whole grains still have all those beneficial parts, the vitamins, minerals, and fiber that we then can eat. The whole grain in this recipe are rolled oats. Besides rolled oats and oatmeal, do you like to eat any other whole grains? Some of my favorites are brown rice and popcorn. I like having brown rice with veggies for dinner and popcorn, homemade popcorn, as a snack. So I hope you enjoy the whole grains in this recipe and have fun at the rest of Animal Camp. Thank you.